ADHD and screen time during the quarantine. Sitting in front of a screen all day during the coronavirus quarantine, it's a dream come true for some kids with ADHD. Many kids with ADHD are impulsive and do not display the best judgment or problem solving. Kids with ADHD also like the feeling of being so focused they often experience with screen based technologies amid the stresses of the quarantine. Many parents have found it expedient to let their kids with ADHD spend their time in front of a screen. This sense of attention and engagement is unlike many of their more mundane school and home activities, during which they often feel bored. Quarantine fatigue and depression. If you think your child is experiencing symptoms of depression, it's important for her or him to be evaluated by a medical professional. My role as a social skills coach is to supplement this treatment by strengthening their resilience and sense of self. Harnessing strengths produces positive energy while reducing the feelings of entrapment and depression. Cultivate positive attributes such as enthusiasm, humor, caring, helping, perceptiveness, experimentation, and creativity. Seeking support for quarantine burnout. It may be hard to recognize or admit that you are burned out. If you are like me, you are proud of the challenges you have taken on. That said, here are some important messages for ADHD brains and caregivers of ADHD brains. But still, you need effective coping mechanisms, and right now the standards options are just not there. If you are struggling to find ways to relax your body and need the help of an outside agent, contact your primary care physician or a psychiatrist for an anti-anxiety or antidepressant medication. ADHD brains and quarantine. The good news is, practicing healthy habits can help your ADHD brains create structure in your otherwise unstructured day. Getting into bed or out of bed at specific times, making yourself breakfast, working out for a set period, these habits can all act as placeholders and markers for the other points of time in the day. Feelings of overwhelm combined with disrupted sleep and routine can also heighten these negative emotions.